Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm very thankful to you that you're stopping by and watching my video. Today I want to discuss about two important things in our life which is hindering us and which is blocking us and standing like a barrier in whatever we're doing it. And this is going to be very relevant for those people who wants to go ahead in life, and for those people who are struggling and confusing about what is actually going on in their life. So especially I'm talking about who wants to grow and move ahead in a better future. Number one, align your action with your dream or your goal that you're having it. So many times we're not aligning at all. Our dream is something else and our action is totally opposite to the dream that we are having it. If you want to be a very successful musician, then you need to practice a lot, which means you have to align your action towards that goal. Or if you want to build your body, then you have to work out frequently with a strict diet. You cannot just see the gym, you cannot pass by the gym, and you cannot build your body that way. So number one thing which I'm seeing with many of us is we have a beautiful, tremendous, amazing dreams and goals we have, but our action is something totally out of align from that dream. For example, I'm not against any online games or mobile games that you're playing into it, but if you have a dream, then you need to have a balance. You have a dream, but you're busy most of the time using your Instagram or playing online game or Facebooking. It's absolutely okay. That will help you if you know how to balance it. So number one is align your goal and your dream with your action, which is very, very important. Number two, do not confuse with an activity and a result. Many of us, including me, many times we confuse with this tool. We do so many things in terms of activities. We do that, we do this, but when it comes to result, it is not up to the expectation, because most of the time what we're doing is just a movement. Movement has nothing to do with a result. You can be very busy whole day without any result. So I urge every one of us to focus more on the result-oriented kind of activities, not on just doing an activity without any result. And without result, it is highly impossible to move ahead in our life, which means it is very difficult to grow. It takes too much time when we don't have a result. So let us focus on result. Whatever we do, it may be a small thing or it may be a big thing or it can be anything, but let us be very clear about what result we have in our mind before we're actually doing that. So if we do this, guys, I'm sure this is also my experience. If we do these two things, then we can definitely move ahead much more easier and better. So thank you once again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. If you find it valuable, then share it to your friend or to your family or whomever you want to share it if you find it valuable. Thank you so much once again. We will meet soon.